Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. And if you didn't watch your part 1, you might want to watch it. My lines are dead on, but as what I was loading that other video, I thought, it'd be a lot better if the lines were a little thicker. So we're going to double click on our pen tool and we'll go to like 10 points. Now when you click off that, it really shows up and kind of starts playing with your eyes. But our nodes aren't joined. And if you were going to print this out or even vector it out or engrave it, it's not going to work. So if you'll take your shape tool and select that, hold down your shift key and select the other one so you've got red and blues, select them all, go up to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, and I've got mine set on 0.1, and then you turn them all red. Now look at the lines. They're perfect. And not only are they perfect, even when they go to this box, there's that line that's taken off. So if you'll look at that now, it looks like it's moving. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.